In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade Chrome on Windows. Before we start, a quick note. Older browser versions can be less secure, so treat this as a temporary solution for compatibility or testing, and plan to return to the latest release when you're done. First, let's protect your data and remove the current Chrome. Open Chrome and make sure sync is turned on in settings, so your bookmarks, history, and other data are backed up to your Google account. Give it a moment to finish syncing before you proceed. Now head to Windows Settings, Open Apps, then Apps and Features or Installed Apps, find Google Chrome, and choose Uninstall. During removal, you may see an option to also delete browsing data. If you need a clean slate to avoid profile version conflicts, you can select it. Otherwise, leave your data in place so it's easier to pick up where you left off later. Next, download and install the older version you need. Since Google doesn't offer official downloads for legacy releases, visit a reputable third-party software site known for archiving older versions, such as UpToDown or SlimJet. Filter for the exact Chrome version you want, and make sure you choose the correct build for your system, like Windows 64-bit. Avoid random mirrors, and skip any offers to bundle extra tools during installation. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. You might need administrator permission, and it's a good idea to close any remaining Chrome processes if the installer asks. To keep Chrome from immediately updating itself back to the latest version, disable automatic updates. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog, type services.msc, and press Enter. In the Services list, find Google Update Service, Gupdate, and Google Update Service, Gupdatem. Open each one, set Startup Type to Disabled, and confirm with OK. Then open Task Scheduler from the Windows search bar and disable any tasks related to Google Update so they don't re-enable themselves on a schedule. Remember, disabling updates reduces security, so do this only as long as necessary. When you no longer need the older version, it's best to return to the current release. Uninstall the old Chrome, go back into Services to re-enable the Google Update Services, and then install the latest version of Chrome from the official site. That way, you regain important security patches and features while keeping your workflow intact.